Hi everybody, subscribe to Chemverse tutorial channel and hit the bell icon to get latest chemistry videos. Hello everybody, this is our 5th lecture on general organic chemistry, and here we will learn about two things. One is steric inhibition of resonance and ortho effect. With the help of that, we will solve these three questions. There the acidic strength has been asked. What will be the order of acidic strength? We will discuss this question. If you haven't watched my previous 4 lectures, then go back to my description box, and there you can find the link of my GOC lecture number 1 to 4, or you can click on the I button above. Okay, you can find my videos in the GOC playlist also. Another thing is that it is very important concept, and it is also very hot topic for your examination, because ortho effect is very important whenever you are going to determine the acidic strength of benzoic acid and substituted benzoic acid. So this ortho effect comes into effect. So we will learn a lot of new concept over here. So please watch the video till the end. It will be much helpful for you. Okay, so let's begin with this. So before going to start the question solving approach, let's move on to this question, that why benzoic acid behaves an acid. So if you draw the structure of benzoic acid, it will be something like this. Okay, over here there will be OH. So what kind of resonance can occur in this case? This can come here to produce something like this. There will be O minus, double bonded OH, and plus. Now when this kind of resonance is occurring, okay, this kind of conjugation is occurring over here, so what you can see, that this oxygen is positively charged and it is not a stable configuration or stable situation for oxygen. So what it will do, it will fire one H plus, proton will be removed. So this bonded pair electron of OH bond will now be concentrated over oxygen to neutralize the charge, and you will get something like this: O minus, double bond O, plus H plus. So this is happening, and this is a driving force to donate the proton. So something which can donate proton can be called as your acid, and that's why it is a acid. Okay, so this is first point. So what you can see, that over here this kind of positive charge generation is nothing but is the driving force to fire the proton from the system. So it is actually the case where we can say that due to the formation of this kind of resonating structure, the ease of proton donation increases. Another point is very much effective to determine the acidic strength of the molecule, that is the conjugate base. When proton abstraction takes place, after that the rest of the molecule is called the conjugate base. Conjugate base. Now this conjugate base is extremely stable because of the resonating structure. Okay, so it can form this kind of resonating structure, whatever. So this is an extremely stable structure, and that is why you can say that the conjugate base is stabilized and it can behave as a base. It can behave as an acid, because conjugate base is stabilized means the corresponding acid will have higher acidic strength. But matter is that whenever this kind of situation is formed, then there's a remote possibility that this pi bond take part in resonance. It donates electron to form carbon-carbon bond, double bond over here, and it can neutralize the charge. So as a result of that, you can get something like this situation. It is a remote condition or remote situation. It is very unlikely. Why it is unlikely? Because in this case the benzene ring actually loses its aromaticity. But matter is that some amount of this kind of resonance will occur. That means some amount of electron donation will occur from benzene to CO2H. So this kind of resonance, so this kind of pi electron donation donation by benzene ring decreases the ease of proton donation. Okay, so what I can see that for substituted benzene ring, the common thing is that benzene ring donates electron density to the CO2H, and that is why the ease of proton donation decreases. So it will not try to fire the proton, so the acidity decreases. So if electron withdrawing group is present, electron withdrawing group will drag electron density from the benzene ring. So this electron withdrawing group actually decreases electron density over the benzene ring. So if it decreases the electron density over the benzene ring, as a result of that, the electron donation that was occurring from benzene ring to CO2H, that donation, the donorability will be decreased, because now benzene ring has lesser electron density. So if that kind of electron donation decreases, then automatically the ease of proton donation will increase. That means this will increase the acidity, and it is reflected experimentally also. So it matches with our expectation. Similarly, if electron donating group is present, that will increase the electron density over the benzene ring, and that will lead to the more and more electron donation to the CO2H group, and more electron donation occurs to the CO2H group. That implies the ease of proton donation decreases, so acidity decreases. So this also matches with our expectation, except ortho substituent. Remember, here I have shown only meta and para substituted. Surprisingly, ortho substituted even electron donating group increases acidic strength, and this is very interesting feature. In this case, what I can say, that ortho substituent group, whether it is electron withdrawing, okay, or electron donating even, it increases the acidity. So now we can't explain only on the basis of this kind of electron density over the benzene ring. So there might be some other effect which is operating, and the effect is your ortho effect. Ortho effect means irrespective of the nature of group G, here at the ortho position there is any group G is present, whether it is electron withdrawing or electron donating, it doesn't matter, the compound will show exceptionally high acidity. Now the question is that why this is happening? Because whenever this kind of situation is arising, okay, where this oxygen lone pair is present in the resonance and something like this is producing, okay, so over here the H plus donation is favorable, so this is called the ease of proton donation. But matter is that if the electron density comes from this benzene ring, if electron density comes from this benzene ring in this direction, the ease of proton donation decreases. This has been discussed. But matter is that, now I am erasing that arrow. Matter is that if any group is present, any kind of group, whether it is electron donating or electron withdrawing, is present at the ortho position, it is due to the larger size of this carboxyl group. So it is due to the larger size, there will be a steric repulsion between them. If they are in same plane, then there will be a steric repulsion, because benzene is a planar structure. Over here, if the substituents are present, they will be also in the same plane, and that is why this kind of electron donation is occurring, because CO2H is already in plane with the benzene ring for benzoic acid, and that is why the electron donation is occurring, because resonance requires planarity of the system. But at ortho position, any kind of group is present, any kind of group that will exert the steric repulsion, and due to the steric effect, what I can see, that the CO2H group now rotates itself. It was earlier in the same plane with the benzene ring, now it rotates. If the suppose you can think that it was earlier in the same plane, now it is rotated due to the steric repulsion. So the CO2H group rotates and it goes out of the plane. So what I can say, that due to the steric factor or steric repulsion, okay, due to the steric repulsion, this group moves out of plane. This group moves out of plane means this CO2H group is no longer available for accepting electron density via resonance from the benzene ring. Benzene ring cannot donate its electron density via resonance to the CO2H. So over here what I can say, when this kind of system is generated where O minus and OH plus is present and some group over G is over here, and I can say that this group is now out of plane. This group is out of plane. So electron density cannot be donated from benzene ring because resonance is no longer possible. Resonance occurs only in the same plane. If the substituent is out of plane, it cannot take part in resonance, and that is why the ease of proton donation increases. Ease of proton donation increases means acidity increases. In all kind of other substituted benzene rings like your meta and para substituted benzene rings, what is happening? Although there are some electron donating group or electron withdrawing group, the electron withdrawing group can decrease the electron density from the benzene ring, but there will be some amount of that electron donation from the benzene ring to the CO2H. So this one where no such electron donation can occur due to the presence of the CO2H group in out of plane. So in that situation, no such resonance is occurring. That is why the ease of proton donation increases such an extent that it becomes highly acidic. Okay, so this is the called your steric inhibition of resonance. Actually, steric inhibition steric factor inhibits the resonance, and that is why it has a name SIR, abbreviated as SIR. So this SAR effect, that was SIR. So it is the driving force for the ortho effect. So over here what I can see, that chlorine present at the ortho position, we don't need to calculate that whether it is a electron donating group or electron withdrawing group, whatever the group is, as it is present in the ortho position with respect to the CO2H group, it is due to the SIR that will attribute to the ortho effect, and that ortho effect increases the acidity. So it will be the most acidic one. So one will be your most acidic due to ortho effect, most acidic. Now I already mentioned this thing in my previous lectures, that whenever halogen is present, is directly attached to the benzene ring, then the resonance is not that much important for halogen system. Only inductive effect you should consider because it's the most prior effect. So whenever you are discussing about the inductive effect, it is a minus I group, but inductive effect is distance dependent. So this is in the closest position. Okay, this is in the closest position. That means what you can see, that if the conjugate base, if draw the conjugate base, okay, if you draw the conjugate base over here, so chlorine is present in this position and it is withdrawing electron density. So it has electron withdrawing minus I effect, and it is present in the meta position. And if you draw the conjugate base of this one, third one, so this will have a conjugate base like this, where it is present at this position. Here also electron withdrawing effect or minus I effect is operating, but it is distance dependent, so more effect is observed in this case. So you can say that here overall this is a negatively charged, and it is pulling electron density from the benzene ring, so it increases the ease of proton donation. And this negatively charged species, if I drag electron density from it, so that will in turn increase the stability. So the stability of the conjugate base of 2 is more than that of 3, because electron withdrawing group stabilizes the conjugate base for this kind of system. So the stability, according to the stability order, 2 is more acidic than 3. In both the cases, electron withdrawing group is present. So with respect to the benzoic acid itself, this 2 and 3 will be more acidic. So benzoic acid is present in the least position. Okay, 1 will be your most acidic one. So this will be the order of acidic strength. 1 greater than 2, greater than 3, greater than 4. Okay. In the 2 and 3, remember, both of them contains electron withdrawing group. So that will increase the ease of protonation as compared to the benzoic acid. So 2 and 3 will obviously be more acidic, clear, than benzoic acid. Now what you should calculate, that what will be the stability of the conjugate base. Higher the stability of the conjugate base, more is the acidic strength. Clear? So that is applied over here. So it is an example of your ortho effect. Now moving on to this question. Here all the substituents, sorry, there will be O-methoxy. Okay. Here all the substituents are your 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the substituents are present in ortho position. Here it is ortho position, here also ortho position, and here also ortho position. So ortho effect, that means the SIR will operate over here and over here. That means SIR or ortho effect. Okay, ortho effect is operating in all the cases. In all the cases, the ortho effect is operating. That means 1, 2 and 3 will be more acidic than 4. So this will be your least acidic. There is no ortho effect. Ortho effect means it actually drives the CO2H group to move to the out of plane, and that is why it cannot take part in the resonance with the benzene ring. Ease of proton donation increases. But matter is that what will be the order of acidity between these three? Suppose comparing 1 and 3. If you compare 1 and 3, now all of them has ortho effect. So now another effect, if there is any other effect operating, so I have to consider that one. So for 1, if I draw the conjugate base, conjugate base will look like this. There will be OH. Here if I draw the conjugate base, it will be something like this, O minus OCH3. Now I think you have already guessed what will be the answer. I have written in this way that, look at this, there is the hydrogen bonding possible, and for this kind of system, benzene ring, so 1,2 substituted benzene ring, the hydrogen bonding, if it forms this kind of 6-membered ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this kind of 6-membered ring is generating due to the hydrogen bonding interaction. This is highly stable. This actually matches with the geometry of the benzene ring. So the hydrogen bonding is occurring and it is highly effective, and it will increase the stability. So from here what I can say, that due to the hydrogen bonding, the stability is high, stability increases. But here no hydrogen bonding is present. Here no hydrogen bonding is present. So what we can see, that it is due to the hydrogen bonding, the conjugate base stability of 1 is greater than 3. Okay. Now compare 1 and 2. If I draw the conjugate base of 2, it will be something like this. Now you know what could be the answer. Here one hydrogen bonding, another in this position hydrogen bonding. Okay. So this is occurring in the case of your conjugate base of 2. You can show the resonance as well. You can draw, instead of this kind of drawing, you can say that this kind of resonance can also occur. So you can draw the hybrid structure, but I am not going to make things more complex. What you need to do, just identify that whether there is more amount of, more extent of hydrogen bonding is present or not. Here you can see that in both the side OH group will induce more and more hydrogen bonding interaction. So the extent of hydrogen bonding will be greater, will be greater in case of the conjugate base of 2. So second one, that means the conjugate base of second molecule will be even higher, will have even higher stability as compared to that of your conjugate base of 1. So this is the conjugate base stability, 2 greater than 1 greater than 3. So here, apart from SIR or ortho effect, hydrogen bonding plays a very important role. So due to the conjugate, due to this factor, if the conjugate base stability increases, automatically the acidic strength increases. So acidic strength will follow the order 2 greater than 1 greater than 3. Okay, and 4 obviously will be least acidic because there is no ortho effect is operating. Clear? So this is the case of option question number B. And for 1C, okay, over here this NO2 is present at the ortho position, exert ortho effect, it is most acidic. Okay, it is most acidic. Now matter is that what will be the acidic order of this 3. Now NO2, this NO2 is minus R group and minus I group. Here the NO2 is minus I, only minus I effect is operating because at meta position resonance is not effective. Resonance affects only ortho and para position, not the meta position. So if I draw the conjugate base of these compounds, you can see over here. So it is minus I and minus R group. So both the effects are active over here. In this case, it is a conjugate base. So it is only minus I effect it is exerting only minus I effect, and for this one, no such minus I group is present. So if electron withdrawing group is present, minus I group means, or minus R group means they are electron withdrawing group. So CO2 minus is a negatively charged end of the molecule. So this is a negatively charged end of the molecule. So if electron withdrawing group is present, that means it will stabilize the system. Simple thing. So more and more electron withdrawing effect implies more and more stability. So the conjugate base stability will be 2 greater than 3 greater than 4. And acidic strength, what will be the order of acidic strength? Acidic strength will have the order 1 is the most acidic due to ortho effect, then 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the order. Okay. Now matter is that apart from ortho effect, one more thing is happening, and that thing is that you can say over here that what will be the structure of the conjugate base. It is rotated. So what I can say that there is a steric inhibition of resonance. So that's not my point. Point is that what kind of effect can operate over here? Negative charge, double bond to positive charge. Now look at this. This negative charge and positive charge are close to each other. So there will be some amount of electrostatic force of attraction, and as two opposite charges are close to each other, so due to that Coulombic interaction, so here Coulombic interaction is operating. Coulombic interaction gives the stability of the conjugate base. So that is also another factor which is stabilizing the conjugate base, and that is why it is more acidic. But if you forget this thing, then also it's okay. By only visualizing that whether the group is present at ortho position or not, you can identify that ortho effect is operating or not. Any kind of group present at the ortho position will exert ortho effect. Now the extent of ortho effect will be different, and that will be dependent on some other effect in addition to the steric inhibition of resonance. Clear? So that is my point. I have covered almost all the important topics related to this ortho effect and steric inhibition of resonance, and in my next lecture I will give you the example where the steric inhibition of resonance affects the basicity of the system, and the basic strength can be also determined with respect to some other effect called steric inhibition of protonation. So SIR effect, that means SIR effect, and SIP effect on the basicity will be discussed in my next lecture. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Happy learning.